Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag technology tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to use 100% disk on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So here, to use all available disk space on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS, the exact space depend on how the disk is currently allocated. So LVM versus non-LVM versus VM versus physical. So below the enterprise grade and safe procedure for converting the common scenarios. So in step 1, we'll check the disk and free space. So first we need a server. So just like this is one server, we are using the Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS on this. And there is a disk space is 20 gig. Okay. So 20 GB is in disk space. When we'll start this one and we'll check how much disk space is using by this server. So let me start this. So let me access the server. So CMD SSH DPT my user 192.168.136.128. This is the IP address. Okay. So username is DPT and password is admin at the rate 123 in my scenario. So go to the sudo user. So create this disk. So this is my server. Let me check the current disk and free spaces. So lsblk. So there is a SDA is there, SDA1, SDA2, SDA3. So how much disk are is using this partitions? So SDA3 is using 18.2 gig full space, and in volume group, in the SDA3 in volume group and logical volume, we have given the 10 gig only. So LVM have logical volume have 10 gig. So remaining out of 18, we are only using the 10. So let me check df minus h. So here you can see there is a 9.8 and used by 2.6 and available this one, but we are using the 20 gig. We have given the 20 gig. So go to the properties and here you can see there is a 20 gig is there. Instead of this, we are only getting the 10 gig approx. Okay. So now we'll go through the Ubuntu install with the LVM most common on servers. So we have a LVM. Okay. So identify the free spaces. So we'll go to the VG display. So sudo VG display. So sudo VG display. The volume group name is this one Ubuntu VG, system ID, format, and other details are there. You have to concentrate on this one free PE size. So free PE size is approx 8.22 GB. So when we are df minus h, this is showing 10. Okay, approx 10. So we'll add this one and it will change to more. So move to the next. We'll extend the volume group by root slash. So sudo lvextend minus l plus 100%. Okay, free. Whatever the 100% free it will use, and we'll give the path. So dev mapper and vg and lv. So this is our path. So copy this and give the path. If your path is different from this, just it will confirm from the LV display. So enter. So successfully resize. So change to 10 gig and to extend to 18.22. Okay, this is done. Now we'll check, but this will won't reflect on here. So we are still getting 9.8 gig. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll resize the file system. If we are using the ext4, so Ubuntu file system is latest file system is ext4. So we'll directly go. So we'll write there sudo resize to fs and our path. So same path I am using. So done. So now let me check with the growth. So df minus h. So there is a 18 GB is there. Previously it was 9.8. Okay. Now this become a 18 gig. So we went through the step-by-step process to resize the Ubuntu using the how to use the full disk, fix and use the 100% storage in 5 minutes. So this is the same procedure converting the common scenarios. So I've shown you the all the steps. So disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owners. This video I made only for the educational information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. So you can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Thank you.